Hi, I'm 95.5 WSB meteorologist Christina Edwards here with John Harmon of American Crawlspace Solutions. And John, I'm a new homeowner. I'm learning all about how to keep my home up and cozy and steady. And I don't know, this doesn't look too steady. What's going on here?
No, it's not too steady. This is better than nothing, I guess. But this is a temporary structure that a homeowner has had built in here to help support this subfloor up underneath here. So there's a bathroom up underneath here, or above here, with tile and really heavy things.
Heavy stuff.
Yeah, so this is really unique. So we've got down here a concrete block and then a brick, piece of wood, and the really neat thing here is we've got another piece of wood just kind of jammed in here. So again, it's better than nothing, but really if you want it supported well, you have to pour dedicated concrete footings up underneath here, and we like to use steel supports instead of wood. The honest purpose there, the reason there is the steel's going to last forever, whereas this wooden structure here is just not. So if you have anything like that under your house that either just doesn't look right or if the floors are sagging, give us a call. We'll send out one of the guys to check it out. That part is totally free, and we can help you to get back on solid ground.